Hey, what's going on, Natty Dads? Today is the start of week 4 on the maintenance diet. So I did my check-in with Macro Factor today. It wants to bump me up another 11 calories, putting me at a total of 2,807. This might be the most amount of calories I've ever had on maintenance, on surpluses and on, calorie bulks, so to speak. I have had more calories than this, but it didn't really last that long, and most of the gain was from fat, not weight. I don't know what my weight average was last week. I'll put it on the screen here. My weight today was 159 flat, so I actually had gained about 3 pounds from Saturday until today, which is Monday. And again, that's water weight fluctuations. I'm not concerned about it. I'm not worried about it, but it is kind of interesting. So I will see what the weight difference is here, but I've been able to slowly increase calories a little bit, stay in that upper 2,000 calorie range while also keeping my weight the same. My workouts are better. I feel just better overall. I have better energy. I have better focus. My life is just a lot better with what I would consider a lot of calories, but according to my body weight, the number of calories I need to keep my weight the same. So that has been really interesting, and I'm super encouraged by that. But a couple of things that I've realized or been remembered of during this week 3, so the last week, and into week 4. Tracking your food is so important, even if you don't have fat loss goals. Like every now and then, just to touch base with exactly how much you're eating. And it might be a harsh reality for some of you, and I get it. When I was on vacation and I was tracking even sort of kind of loosely just to try to see what was going on and see if I could manage it the best I could, I was easily eating 3,000 calories a day. And if I wasn't being mindful, it'd probably be like 3,500, maybe even 3,700, something like that. So that is the first thing. The second thing is being in a calorie maintenance. I think most guys don't get this right. They sort of think it's like a free-for-all. It's like, oh, I'm just gonna, go back to eating higher calories and not be as diligent and like as meticulous about what I eat. Yes, kind of, but at the same time, you have to kind of be meticulous and disciplined, because if you just start eating more fast food or start eating out more, you're naturally going to eat more calories, and they're not going to be the kind of calories that you notice. They're going to be the kind of calories that are like hidden in food through oils and sugars and salts, and well, salt doesn't have calories, but that's going to make you want to eat more. And so you have to be careful. You have to be smart. I like to view calorie maintenance as a calorie deficit with more calories. Like that, I'm still tracking just as diligently as I normally do. I'm still trying to be as mindful as I normally am. I'm still planning ahead. Nothing really changes other than the allotment of calories. Now, don't get me wrong, that makes a huge difference. I'm not saying it doesn't make a difference, but it's just more calories at the end of the day. My brain's a little fried because I just finished a workout. Got to get on with the rest of my day. Got to get to work. I'll see you in the next video.